I'm here in Mobile, Alabama, in the Oakley Garden District. I mean, look at this neighborhood. So quaint, so quiet. And in the middle of it, there's a restaurant. Yeah, right in the middle. And not just any restaurant. Now, I hear this chef's got pedigree. I heard he was on Top Chef. I heard that he's really involved with the Alabama Seafood Commission, and he's cooked for 2 governors. Oh, this is the real deal. Welcome to the Hummingbird Way Oyster Bar.
Place is off the hook, Weed. Triple D.
Panini Pete?
We have an oyster bisque.
Anyone that likes innovative menus knows about this place.
It's typical Southern food, but then it's combined with really exotic flavors.
Lamb for table 30.
What Jim does back there, it is magic.
And Chef Jim Smith has been casting his spells on the scratch-made menu since he opened the place in 2020. How do you describe the restaurant?
Homemade food, but not too stuffy about it.
I dig it.
Raw oysters ready to go.
Yeah, it is an oyster bar, but there are quite a few things more. You have the rabbit.
Creole braised rabbit.
Everything that he puts in it is just so delicious.
All right, what are we cooking today?
Creole braised rabbit.
What are we starting off with?
We're gonna make the blackening seasoning. We start with paprika, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, toasted fennel seed. We'll start off by salting these guys. And I like to go pretty heavily on the blackening seasoning.
Rondo's hot, rabbit's ready to roll.
Once it's seared, we then remove the rabbit.
We braising this?
Yes. We'll start off getting the Kanaka sausage in the pan.
Kaneka sausage, which is one of my favorites.
We got the onions, we got the green bell pepper and the celery. Blackening in here. Garlic goes in. Deglaze this clam with a little bit of beer. Add bay leaf and thyme in here. Hit it with a little Tabasco as well. We're gonna make a quick blonde roux first, and then we'll add the dark roux at the very end.
Got it.
And a little bit of AP flour. Roasted tomatoes.
The homemade chicken stock, the brown roux, nice peanutty flavor.
Yes.
Add the rabbit back in. How long is this gonna go?
35 minutes to an hour.
Got it.
Now we're gonna make the grits that goes with the braised rabbit.
All right, let's get into this.
Cold milk, grits, salt,
Grits need salt.
and a little bit of white pepper.
How much butter are we gonna mount it with?
Just a little bit here.
That's a little bit? That's a lot of bit. All right, chef, let's get into this.
The grits,
It's like southern polenta.
yeah. We wanna have front leg, hind leg,
I think I'm gonna go hind leg.
sausage on there,
You can bury me in that.
parsley, and go heavy on the spring onion, pickled cabbage,
Walk me through the pickled cabbage.
apple cider vinegar, sherry vinegar, water, sugar in the raw, star anise, fresh dill, bay leaves, black peppercorn, fennel seed. Bring all of that to a boil and pour it over a mixture of cabbage, spring onion, and jalapeno.
The grits are spot on, creamy, delicious. They got great texture to them. The rabbit is braised enough that it's still juicy, not braised so much that it's leathery and shreddy. The balance of the braising liquid is perfect. But you know what really makes the whole dish sing is this pickled cabbage chow chow. Next level.
Thank you. All right, I got 2 rabbit going to plate.
The rabbit is so good, so tender.
The grits, I love the texture mixing in with all the other things.
The pickled cabbage is excellent. Definitely balances out the dish.
It's delicious. Everything is so good.
Just a great variety.
He's very talented. He's executive chef for the past 2 governors.
You were the chef of the state?
The executive chef for the state of Alabama for 2 different governors. It's a cool job as representative of all things Alabama food.
Overachiever.
He finds the things that are near the restaurant, local farm to table or ocean to table.
All right, flounder's coming up.
You have the whole fried flounder, herbs and peanuts, and curry sauce.
Let's jump into it.
The first thing we're gonna start off by making is a shrimp stock.
Okay.
We have some Alabama brown shrimp,
Onion and celery and fennel.
star anise,
This guy's like Captain Star Anise.
bay leaf, and fennel prawns.
And some water. All right, how long is this gonna cook?
An hour to draw all that flavor out of the shrimp.
Strain it off, and this is gonna be the foundation of this red curry sauce?
Yes.
Love it.
This is gonna be the curry paste. Ginger, galangal,
Gonga.
lemongrass, a whole garlic clove, fish sauce, soy sauce, shallot, Thai chilies, raw sugar, cinnamon, lime juice, white pepper, cumin and coriander. This is ketchup.
This I didn't see coming. What's our next step?
The sauce, oil, julienne onion,
Green bell pepper,
garlic goes in next,
salt,
mirin.
curry paste that we made,
Add a little bit of the shrimp stock.
and some coconut milk. Let this reduce down a little bit. What's our final step here, chef?
Right now we're gonna steam some clams. Start off with white wine, a couple of cloves of garlic, bay leaf in here,
No, bay leaf from you?
fresh thyme, our little nut clams.
All right, so what are we doing with this flounder here?
Just gonna score both sides of it.
What are we gonna dredge it in?
Flour, white pepper and salt, egg wash, and then a mixture of cornmeal, corn flour, and flour.
Fry the flounder.
For about 10 minutes, and we're just gonna finish this sauce. Got the clams, they are nice and opened up, and we'll take the curry, parsley in here, arugula,
Wild man, you.
roasted and salted peanuts,
This is just getting weirder as we go.
clam sauce right over the top. The spring onion on there, Thai basil, fresh mint. Finish with some flowers.
It is gorgeous, I will tell you that. Peanuts are awesome inside of it. The curry is worthy of a Thai Vietnamese restaurant. The clams, delicious. Chef, nice job.
Thank you,
you.
Curried flounder and clams.
It's lightly fried, where it's satiating, but it's not heavy.
Flounder is so fresh.
It's flaky, very, very tender, and delicious with the curry sauce.
Is this a normal Mobile restaurant?
It's hidden. You
Right.
kind of have to know where you're going to find it.
You're driving along, it's house, 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 and then restaurant. I mean, just to be able to roll right out of your house, you gotta go broke here.
Oyster Casino.
I'd like to stick around and do the whole menu. If you get lucky enough to live close to Hummingbird Way Oyster Bar, you're gonna love it.